The biggest investing mistake isn't losing money. It's waiting too long to start. People say, I'll invest when I earn more. I'll start when the market is better. I'll begin next year. That delay is expensive. The truth is, investing rewards time, and time doesn't wait for permission. Every year you delay, compounding has one less year to work for you. Warren Buffett made the vast majority of his fortune after age 50, not because he suddenly changed strategy, but because he started investing as a teenager. Decades of compounding did the heavy lifting. The point is, time created the wealth, not timing. Waiting feels safe, but inflation quietly reduces the value of money sitting idle. While you wait, prices rise, opportunities move, time disappears. The best time to invest was years ago. The second best time is now. Not when conditions are perfect, now. You don't need perfect timing. You need consistent action. Start small. Start imperfect. Just start.